Hello everyone, this is Amika Mahajan. Welcome to my channel. This video is focused on uniform motion, non-uniform motion and acceleration in these two types of motion. First of all, let's understand what is uniform motion. From the name itself, it is clear that something is constant, uniform. Here, the body covers equal distances in equal interval of time. Then body is said to be in uniform motion. Observe here. From 0 to 10 second, time interval of 10 second and distance covered is 10 minus 0, 10 meter. In next 10 second, from 10 second to 20 second, but we find that distance traveled is 10 meter again. So equal distances are covered in equal interval of time and bodies in uniform motion. अगर equal interval of time, equal distance travel हो रहा है तो body uniform motion में है. That means if body is in a straight line motion, direction is same. Here, speed is also same. When either speed changes or direction changes or both change, then only velocity will change. Because body is in straight line motion, no change in direction. And here speed is also same because equal distances are being covered in equal interval of time. Find here for first 10 seconds, what we observed that 10 meter are covered. So speed will be distance upon time, 1 meter per second, 10 by 10. Similarly, for next 10 seconds, the distance traveled is 10 meter. Again, speed will be 10 by 10. Distance upon time, it will be 1 meter per second. So speed remains constant in uniform motion. If speed is same, direction is same, then velocity will also remain same and there is no change in velocity. If u is initial velocity and v is final velocity, both are same. That is why change in velocity is 0. If change in velocity is 0, then acceleration is rate of change of velocity with time. So v minus u by t is acceleration. It will also be 0 for uniform motion. Now come to non-uniform motion. From the name itself, it is clear that something is not constant, same. Here, the body does not cover equal distances in equal interval of time. So body is in non-uniform motion. अगर equal interval of time में equal distance travel नहीं हो रहा तो non-uniform motion होगी. अब यहाँ देखिए. For 10 seconds, distance traveled is 10 meter. In next 10 seconds, distance traveled is 30 minus 10, 20 meter. In next 10 seconds, distance traveled is 60 minus 30. That means 30 meter. In next 10 seconds, distance traveled is 100 minus 60 means 40 meter. So what is happening? Equal distances are not covered in equal interval of time. Body is in non-uniform motion. If equal distances are not being covered in equal interval of time, then speed will also not remain same. Here, for first 10 seconds, speed will be 1 meter per second, 10 by 10. For next 10 seconds, speed will be 20 by 10, 2 meter per second. For next 10 seconds, speed will be 3 meter per second and so on. So speed is changing. If speed is changing, velocity also changes. So change in velocity will be there. Change in velocity will not be 0 in non-uniform motion. If change in velocity is non-zero, that means velocity is not constant at every point of the path. Then what happens? Acceleration will not be 0 because acceleration is change in velocity with time. I'm saying velocity is changing. So v minus u is not 0. Change in velocity is not 0. As a result of which acceleration will also not be 0 for non-uniform motion. So what you have to keep in mind that for uniform motion, acceleration will be 0 and for non-uniform motion, acceleration will not be 0. Thanks for watching this video. Like, share, subscribe my channel.